Welcome to Auto Reviews, your trusted source for in-depth automotive insights. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating 2025 Dodge SRT, a car that redefines American muscle with cutting-edge technology, breathtaking performance, and bold styling. If you're a car enthusiast or simply love staying updated on the latest in automotive excellence, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Auto Reviews. Let's get started. The first thing that grabs your attention about the 2025 Dodge SRT is its commanding presence. The new front fascia features a redesigned grille with an integrated active air intake system, flanked by futuristic LED matrix headlights. This isn't just aesthetics, it's aerodynamics and cooling efficiency working together to enhance performance. Under the hood, Dodge has equipped the SRT with a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 807 horsepower and 707 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this beast can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. But Dodge didn't stop there. They've introduced an all-new eBoost hybrid assist system, ensuring instant throttle response while improving fuel efficiency. The 2025 SRT rides on lightweight 20-inch forged aluminum wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires designed for optimal grip. The adaptive suspension system, featuring Bilstein dampers, adjusts in real time to road conditions, offering a balance between track-ready stiffness and everyday comfort. Inside, Dodge has transformed the SRT's cabin into a driver-focused masterpiece. Premium leather upholstery with carbon fiber accents creates a luxurious yet sporty vibe. The new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, and a massive 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system runs Dodge's latest Uconnect 6.0 software. Features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated AI-driven navigation make staying connected effortless. Safety is another highlight of the 2025 Dodge SRT. Equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a new predictive collision avoidance system, this car ensures peace of mind whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing limits on the track. In terms of design, performance, and technology, the 2025 Dodge SRT sets a new benchmark for modern muscle cars. From the eBoost hybrid assist to the advanced infotainment system, every feature is meticulously engineered to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. Whether you're chasing adrenaline on the track or enjoying a night out in the city, the SRT stands out as a true icon. If you're as excited about the 2025 Dodge SRT as we are, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Auto Reviews for more detailed car insights. Let us know in the comments what you think of this modern muscle marvel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.